Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that anytime I go live or I go post video, you will be the first to see. Stay tuned with me. Thank you, guys. This life no balance. This life no balance at all. This life no balance. Your boyfriend, your guy where you with and they chop, they eat, they do everything together. You will just go out, come back for us. You go see your guy with your wife that they do kerewawa. Oh boy. Who does that? Who does that? It's not a bad friend. For this video now where they show now, just look at this video. Just look at this video. See what I'm showing you people. This guy when he be say na him boyfriend. Now as in na him guy, two of them they eat, they travel, they do everything together. A wife when he marry put for house. Before he come back, this guy, the chicken wife. How can you do that? You go see some boys, na their girlfriend, as na the guy, wife, na him they like to do. You understand me? Why? Why this life they like this? What do you have to gain to try to bring your fellow man down? Man, when they be say you and be friends, you won't bring them down by all means, by sleeping with his wife. And most of all those their wife, not they say no. Not they say no. Boy, you get some wife where you go get there, he not deserve you. Tell me why now okay wife. My wife when I get now, they sleep with other man. Because not be all women they do that, and not be all women they do them. You get some women when they be say once you just go they talk to them, before you know they don't carry and give their husband, their husband will begin investigate them. They look them, they check them, they balance them. You understand me? But some once they not will tell you. If you won't come sleep with them in the night, they will tell you say, I'm not there in the mood. I'm not there this. Why? Because why? You don't get who they chook am for back. You don't get who they really they chook am for back. Not be today it starts. Not be today it start. I know many girls when they be say, they not agree give their husband, they could make the husband knock. Because why? Then get who they knock them. Then get who they knock them for outside. They not go agree give their husband. Make their husband knock. Because why? They don't get who they knock them, which is very bad. Some of them now you will see, say person get HIV. Person get HIV, you no go know how you take get them. Because why? A wife when he get for house, they go to sleep with in friends them. They go to sleep for outside. Most of them not be because of money. Most of them not be because of anything. Wickedness. 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 Some of them will say, the man is not the fucking way. The man not the doing well. If your man not the chook you well, you go tell and say, may you go buy iron. May they use iron, they chook and buy. They use hand till they do them. Because before you marry this man, you say and say this man no deal as in, you know if he satisfy you, if not satisfaction now you need, you know if he satisfy you. So why now, when he don't marry you put for us, at this time now you want to tell and say no they satisfy you. You know they satisfy your need. You want to put him in shame. You and your husband and his friends then come out outside, they go supermarket or then go for beer parlor where they drink. All those in friend go dey look at this one. He no know wetin dey happen with wife when he be say dey chook anyhow. You understand me? What a shame. You go put your wife, your husband in a shame. You forget say one day, everything wey you dey do go appear. And when e appear, all of them go fall for your head. All of them go fall for your head. Anything wey person dey do today, you just dey do am. You just dey do am. You know why? You just dey do am say na only you dey do am that time. People must surely know. People must surely see you wetin you dey do. People must surely see you. People must surely see you wetin you dey do, because one day your nyash must open. All these people now wey dem dey catch say dem born children out of as dem cheat their husband, the children wey dem born no be their husband own. Do you think say e start today? E didn't start today. But after like 10 years, 30 years, 50 years, 20 years, 3 years, 4 years, the thing go still come out. Because why? You cannot hide everything forever. You cannot hide everything forever. You just hide it for meantime. It must surely come out. God, every man, we will get problem. Men get problem. Many men get problem. But the problem are women. Because now, when I get my girlfriend, now if I get my girlfriend, now me with my girlfriend, the friend, now with the date. You dey hear me so? Me and my girlfriend, the date now. I believe, say, if other woman come my way, other woman wey know my girlfriend come my way, me no, I will tell her, say, you with this girl na friend, why you want to do this thing to her? You understand? I go try open her nyash, tell her, say, please don't do this again. It's not nice. Go and look for people that deserve you. Women, any condition, any situation you are, there is men or women that deserve you. There is men that deserve you. No, they carry your toto go they give who not like you. Carry your toto, give am for who like you, who admire you. Toto na wetin e be say God use and take do you, use and take as in take bless you. That na whole when e be say you no get where e dey end. If you dey on top of woman, they tell you, yeah, hit me. He dey do am like if he love you, na him make he dey do am. Or if she wan deceive you, na him she dey do am. Na 2 things na him dey make dem dey do am. One be say he love you, na him make she dey do am. One be say he wan deceive you, you be fool, he wan deceive you. Wetin make me begin talk this thing today? Na this our brother wey you know dey see for this thing. 2 of them dey together for house. You understand me? When he don comot, you know say in guy dey come from him back on the to him wife. What a shame. What do you have to gain to destroy your fellow human being? What do you have to gain? It's very, very bad, my people. It's very, very bad. Yes. Let's go to another video. You know, I see this small girl wey they see for this place. This small girl. This small girl na house girl. Na house girl. Make you see how woman being dey wicked rich. House girl from this small pikin now. Maybe you don't go meet him mama, you don't go meet him papa. Tell her say, I won't take your baby, I won't take your pikin for you because you know the fee take care of. I won't use her help you. You go carry person pikin. You go carry person pikin. You go carry and go your house. Waiting that house girl go do you. Most of them, I don't live for compound when it be say one woman they maltreat one boy where they has all in body don't turn to mark. That another me, you know, so that everybody they do his own. Like me, I see the kind of man or woman wey dey maltreat in house care, Naomi go first kill am. I go first do am something when she go regret. See this small girl now, wetin this small girl do now? This small girl was thrown out from the 3-story building. E from there fall. Tell me wetin this small pikin do am. If you say dem this house where this small pikin dey, when e fall put for ground, say dem tile am, say dem do am like German floor, or dem crotar am, this pikin for lost her life. But the ground na ordinary sand, na im make this pikin survive. And you know say dem no go fit see wetin do am, dem no go fit catch wetin, and this pikin no go get justice. Why? Because why? People no get money. Na im be Nigeria where we dey live today, where you no get money, you no get justice. See small pikin wey dey your house, wetin im do you? Wetin im do you where you go from upstairs 3-story building throway this baby, throway this small girl to ground? Oh God, why people wicked? Why people wicked? Why people wicked? This small pikin. Oh God, I don't know this person. If you say I know this person, I for use my small power to follow her up. People wicked. And women, that is the problem where we get with now. Men also not be only women. If you know say you no go fit train your baby by yourself, stop till they born. You go see some women now don born like 7 children, 8 children. They not get work, nothing that they do. They don born 8 children, 7 children. You forget say those children where they born, you go send them for school. You go give them food. You go do all those necessary things. But no, you know they think all those things in your head. You just they bond them. You don't know whether they go eat, you don't know anything. You people need to dey stop doing this kind of behavior where una dey do. Una need to stop to dey do them. It's wrong. It's very wrong. Stop this behavior. Please, guys. Where you give birth to pikin, give birth to am, make e come enjoy for this life, not be to come suffer. Nobody dey born make e come suffer for this life. But una go dey born dem come suffer. My people, na wetin I say ma tell una be this o. Thank una so much. I appreciate you, guy. Thank una so much. Thank una so much. Thank una so much. Bye bye, guys. I come in peace.